Hi guys, Tech James here. So in this video I've actually got something else to unbox. This is the Dreamcast Visual Memory Unit. So I wanted to buy one of these. I just thought they were kind of cool. I actually got this one on eBay. It was £5 and apparently it was brand new, like unopened, never been used before. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it was actually brand new. There was like a piece of tape at the top here. I recently just went through that with a knife. So yeah, it was kind of a shame to open it, I guess, seeing as it is brand new. But seeing as there's so many right now, and they're actually really cheap, you can get these for like £5. It doesn't really seem too bad. So I kind of wanted to unbox it anyway. Now I don't actually own a Dreamcast. I do plan on getting one soon. I've actually got some Dreamcast games as well that I got really cheap. So I just pretty much had to buy them because they were so cheap. But anyway, let's just go and unbox this right now. So this is just a quick look at the box. This is the NTSCU version, and yeah, this is what the back of the box looks like. As you can see, you've got the Sega logo. So it has the LCD screen, the pad, basically the D-pad, sleep button, mode button, A and B buttons, and that is pretty much everything it can do up there. So it can play games, display secret info during Dreamcast gameplay, download and modify characters, trade files, and save Dreamcast game files. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this without the console yet. I do plan on getting one soon, but let's just open this right now. So it should be able to open like that, and we can just slide the tray out. So I have just noticed one thing: the tray does actually have a big crack in the plastic, and I guess it doesn't matter too much. I didn't even notice that inside of the box. But here are the instructions it comes with. So there you go, visual memory unit instructions. I don't think I'll read those, they look kind of boring. And then here is the actual console itself. So this thing fell off. I guess that clips on top like that. So that is if you want to plug it into the controllers. And at the back it actually has the tab. So it says caution here, battery harmful. Okay, so once we pull this out it will actually activate, but we can unscrew this and take the battery out if we want to turn it off anyway. So let's pull the tab. There you go. And it's now activated. Okay, so I just got it working. Basically what I had to do was take this out, take both the batteries out, put them back in, and now it seems to be displaying something. So it's telling me to choose a date. So obviously we are going to choose 2019. I'm going to have to scroll up quite a bit because obviously this thing is pretty old. There you go, 2019, A for select. Now I need to choose. Today is, I actually have to check quickly. So A for January, and it is the 24th today, so I just need to up that a bit. You can actually hold it. Okay, 24th, A for select again. Now we need to choose the time. Okay, and then A for select. Is this okay? Yes. Okay, so there you go, Sega Visual Memory Unit. Now it actually looks better on camera than it does in real life, so that is kind of interesting. Okay, so if we press mode, we can scroll through several things. So we've obviously got like files. If we press A on this one, I believe that's, oh, so that's like game files. If we press A on this one, that is the time. I'm not actually sure why it's got a dog going around. I've never actually used one of these before. So if we press mode again, the first thing is the free game stuff, like saved files, and then we've also got, and that looks pretty much it. So it doesn't actually look like I can really do much of this. I could take it with me if I wanted to tell what the time was, but yeah, it seems a bit pointless, so I can't actually connect this to anything. So unless there's some way to use this on my PC with the emulator, that would be pretty cool. If I find that out, I might be able to make a video on it, but I'm not actually too sure. But there is another thing I have actually got. I've actually got 2 Dreamcast games. So I got these games, now I think it's pronounced Shenmue or something. I got these so cheap, both of them together, 1 and 2, and these are just like £1 each, which is like $1.20, $1.30, something like that. So yeah, really, really cheap, in really good condition as well, if I just take some of these out. So I did actually see they had these on the PlayStation 4, which is pretty cool, so it must have been quite a good game, but I've never actually played it, and yeah, they're completely packed with discs as well. There's like so many discs in each thing. So yeah, pretty crazy. Maybe I'll have to play this at some point, but as I said, I have no idea what it was, and I only bought it because it was so cheap. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I just thought I would show you some of this random Dreamcast stuff which I've bought just because it's been so cheap and kind of interesting. So that is pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.